Having viewed the previous video, let us see how we can use the bedbot exterminator. I have the bedbot exterminator protecting my bread diaries blog. So let us see how it is working over there. Let's go down operations and attempted logins. You see it is locked and tracking. So let's see what happened today. 2 people have tried to log in. It's unbelievable, I tell you, how many people want to log in into my WordPress website. Yesterday 17 people tried to log in. All the same guy using different website. Day before 18. Let's look at 2014, May 2014. 29 people try to log in. It gets bad. I have had cases where some days 6,000 people try to log in. Now let's look at visitors. Today so far I have 359 visitors and 83 have been blocked. That's interesting. You see the OK? That means it showed the page. XXX means these visitors were blocked from viewing the page. Very effective, isn't it? Okay, let's go down to day before. Thousand 134 pages shown. Of that, 457 were blocked. Wow! You wouldn't believe how many people are attacking my site every day. This guy was blocked. This guy was blocked again and again. Keeps coming back after the same page. Doesn't he have some brains? This guy was blocked. Index was blocked. Again, you see, coming back to the same page. Idiot, isn't he? Now let us look at blocked IP addresses. Okay, this shows the historical sequence of events. The first hacker that was blocked was from this IP address on this date and time. He had viewed 34 pages before he was blocked. This is who he is. We do not know how true it is anyway. This data sometimes is false. Fixed. This is the second guy blocked. It turned out to be a sow spider. To date, 338 bots were blocked. Hackers, bots, and so on were blocked. That's quite a bit. Now here it shows you the current blacklist of hackers and bad bots and the date when they last came to attack. So you can see here 2015 March 23rd, Monday at 8:32 GMT time. Now you can delete this from the list if you want, if you suddenly think it's your friend and not a bad bot, and click submit. Now let us go over to IP range. What happened today? It shows you how many people are coming in within the 0 to 255 IP range. 28 people, 16. They may have used the same IP address, or it may be one within that 0 to 255, but it's a good indicator who is really trying to attack your site. This is for today, 26th March 2015. Now let us go to blocked by name. Yes, I have blocked this by name. I got so fed up of them coming and visiting my site and not giving me any money, so I decided to block them. Okay, and that's it. Go back to unlock and lock. This is a live site, so I will not unlock it unless I am creating a new post, editing a post. Then only I will unlock to log into my website, WordPress website, control panel, and create a new document for posting. When you want to edit your WordPress documents or create a new document or create a new post, go back to the Badbot Exterminator and unlock the WordPress website, and then you can log into your WordPress website. Now let me show you what happens when you are doing an edit. Let's look at a post, an existing post. Let us say I edited something. On my page, and I wanted to preview it, preview changes. It won't allow me to preview because the Badbot Exterminator is blocking the view. Go back to the Badbot Exterminator, stop the tracking. You can stop tracking, and then when you go back to here and check the preview changes, you can preview. Either that, or you go back to Badbot Exterminator, go to setup. Look, I have unlocked and I'm not tracking. Go to setup, and allow URL parameters. Save setting. Okay, lock it, track visitors, so it's locked. Now it's still tracking, so anybody viewing your WordPress site will be tracked. Go back to the editing, preview changes, you can still preview. So go back. Once you're finished editing, disable URL parameters, save settings. Track visitors. Let's go back and preview. That's right, it's blocked because you see the question mark here. That's what it's blocking. It's blocking anything after the question mark. That's why you cannot view. But this is a safety precaution, protect your website from being hacked. Okay, that's it. Let me lock my